Hey everyone, and welcome back to today's video. Long time no see. I know I have not filmed in a week, but today I am coming at you with a very fun collaboration that I partnered up with a brand, and I am super pumped. I've been waiting to film this video for a while now. I've been wanting to try out the products first to see how I like them, so then I could give an honest review for all of you, and I'm obsessed. So if you love collaborations and you just love my videos in general, be sure you give this video a big thumbs up. That would be amazing if you would do that. And also, if you're new here, be sure you subscribe so you don't ever miss out on another video that I post. I post reviews, I post favorites, I post hauls, I post every single thing with beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related. So I'm pumped, and I hope y'all are too. Okay, so Earth Harbor Naturals sent me some of their products to try out for y'all, review, and I am pumped. I'm going to be saying pumped about a million times for this video. So I actually saw this brand through Instagram. I was just scrolling through my Instagram feed, and I ran into this company, and I was like, oh my gosh, how awesome is this company? So just give y'all a little bit of feedback about this company. It is all natural products. They are cruelty free, which is awesome because I try to inform myself and make sure that I watch out for brands that are not cruelty free, because I love my animals, and so I don't want to see any of them being tested for makeup or anything in general like that. So I really appreciate that this company, they're cruelty free, they're all natural, and they give 1% back to marine life, to save marine life, with marine life, which I think is awesome. So be sure you give this company a big follow on Instagram. They have a website, and they also have a Facebook, and I'm pretty sure they have other social medias too. But they sent me some products to try out, and y'all, this packaging was like the cutest thing. Ooh. When I opened it, I was like, oh my lord, how gorgeous is this? So I mentioned on my Instagram story, because I've been giving y'all little hints about what this collaboration was, and I mentioned to y'all that this brand will work for all of you, and it curates to your skin type. So the reason and why it does that is because if you're interested in buying any of this skincare, they have a tab that says skincare quiz. So you'll take the quiz. Honestly, y'all, it took me 30 seconds. It was super easy. Take the quiz. It'll ask you some questions, maybe your problem areas, what is your skin type, do you have wrinkles, you know, what do you suffer from, and then they actually they gear what you choose and what products they pick for you. So I don't have any wrinkles, but of course I'm not old yet. Anyway, I took the quiz, and I mentioned that I had dry skin and a little bit of combination, but really more dry, and then I really kind of lack a little bit of glow and moisture to my face. So I kind of wanted products that would be geared to that, with more hydration, more moisturization, and all that. So after I took the quiz, they gave you 3 products. I'm pretty sure it's 3. It was 3 on my end. They popped up 3 products that was a recommendation for me, and that is what they sent me. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all all of these products, and then in a few minutes I'm gonna take y'all to my bathroom, and we can take off my makeup, and I'm gonna show y'all how I use these. So if you want to take the skincare quiz and get any of these products for yourself to try out, you can use the code MERMAID15 to save some money on that. So let's get on to the next part of the video to talk about what are these products. Alrighty, so here are the products. So I'm gonna go in order as how they popped up on the screen, and then also I'm going to go in the order as I use them. So another reason why I like this is I know I've done a skincare video before, and I hate using 15 products, y'all, in the morning and then having to change at night. I want a consistent skincare routine where I can use the same products in the morning, and then I can use the same products at night, and I do not have to change it up or anything like that. It's a bummer, I know, but I really appreciate that this brand, it works for the morning and night. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I have is this is the Aloha Love, the Nourishing Cream Cleanser. I think this is really pretty. I love the packaging, y'all. It is a glass jar. The packaging on this was phenomenal, I have to say. When I opened it, there was just a lot of these little leafy little papery things, and there's a lot of bubble wrap, and then all the products were packaged in this little container, so you can just store them back in there. But these make cute little goodie bags, so that you could definitely save them and use that for that. But the packaging is really nice, and I love the glass jar. Like, if you use it all up, you can definitely use this for something else. You can use this for like travel or anything like that. So one of the things that I love about this is it really deep cleans your skin. It makes you feel very nourished and very clean throughout the day and also at night. So this cleanser retails for $18. So you can easily go shop that on the website. It is the Nourishing Cream Cleanser. At first, like, I thought it was gonna smell like strawberries just because like it has that pink tint with like a little bit of specks in there, and I was like, oh, it's gonna smell like a little strawberry whipped cream. But it doesn't. Like, it does not smell bad like at all, but it kind of has that hand sanitizer like smell. I know I was putting it, like, doing my skincare routine this morning, and I was like, what does this smell like? And I was like, okay, it smells like something that they have at school. I knew, I grew up around this, so I kept on sniffing it, and then it came to me, it smells like hand sanitizer, which is not bad at all. But if you are very sensitive to like smells, you may want to hold your breath, and you may want to look for something different because it might be a little strong for you. But I'm not really that sensitive to smell, so it did not bother me one bit. But just putting it out there as a, you know, a warning. But that is what it looks like. So that is the first thing. So I cleanse my face with that morning and night, and then I will wash it off with a hot bath cloth. Now I have been doing, the first time that I did it with a damp, like a wet, like a cold bath cloth, and then I was like, I don't really like this. So then I read on the packaging and it says to take it off with a warm bath cloth, and so I did that, and it just feels much better. So be sure you do it with a wet, hot bath cloth. That is such a tongue twister to say. Okay, so the next thing that you're gonna have is this is the Earth Harbor, the Calypso, the Rare Rejuvenating Oil. Now, this is a product that I was very skeptical about because I have a lot of oily type products like this, and I really never know how to use them. Yeah, but it is perfect for hydrating your skin, especially if you have dry skin like I do, and you just want to have a little bit more moisture and a little bit more glow to your skin. This is the product for you. So this retails for $44, and I love the packaging, still in a glass bottle, really pretty. Love the orange dots. So what I do with this is I pump it, and then I squeeze 3 dots all over my face, or 3 pumps, because that's what the packaging says, and it works best like that. Also use this in the morning and night, but I have to say something, that this is a very weird scent. Like, I don't even know like how to like describe this smell. Like, it kind of smells like oil, honestly, like in a way, but it doesn't really bother me like it did at first. I'm kind of like used to it now. But love this. It really has helped lately with my dry skin because like under my eyes is like a total disaster. It's super like cakey, and like I barely can ever like bake because it's super dry, and so all that doesn't ever really work out. So that is the oil, and I'm gonna show y'all how to use that in a few minutes. Okay, so the next product and the last product that I use on my face is the Siren Silk Multitasking Hydration Cream. This retails for $52, and it is perfect for like if you have fine line and wrinkles, if you have dry skin, if you have mature skin, sensitive skin. This is phenomenal. So this is what it looks like, still in a glass bottle. It smells literally, y'all, like lemon. So it's super thick. Love it. It really like moisturizes my skin like really well. Like I feel like my skin is like very moisturized like throughout the day and like night, and especially when I wake up. So that has really been a product that I have been loving. Alright, so let's get started. Welcome to my bathroom, and this is where I take my makeup off. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. The first thing that I use is my makeup wipes. So I use the e.l.f. makeup wipes. I have been loving these makeup wipes. I go through these like crazy. Like there's 20 to a pack, so like I have to buy them at least twice a month. So I take it off. I'm gonna fast forward this part because we all know how to take our makeup off. So catch you in a minute. all of my makeup off, I'm going to go in with the cleanser. So this is what it looks like inside. And I'm just going to take my index finger and just kind of rub all of these products all over my face. And then I will usually just go ahead and moisturize this. Very gentle on my skin. And I'm going to take my warm bath cloth and just take it all off. This is very, very soothing. Like, my face feels so clean, y'all. Oh my word. Okay, so the next step in the skincare routine is going to be the rejuvenating oil. Now it says to use 2 to 3 pumps on your skin and then massage it in. So I usually will pump it a couple times and then I'm gonna open it, and then I usually do like face like side by side. Like I'll just like start with this, and then I'll usually like will moisturize it in. And then I'm gonna go in with the other side, because if you don't do like one side at a time, it's gonna like leak down your face and it might get on your clothes, and I'm not sure that will come out, so be careful with that. But yeah, this really smells like oil. It's not the best scent, but it does the trick, and I really have noticed a difference by using this. My skin just feels so much more cleaner, and it feels like very balanced out, and like I don't have a lot of like redness, and my skin is more hydrated and very glowy, which dry skin girls, you need all that glow that you can get. So next we're gonna go in with our hydration cream. I love this. Y'all heard me talk about it earlier. Smells like lemon and it feels like whipped cream. So perfect combination. So I will just dot this all over my face. It's a very thick consistency, so you're gonna make sure you want to make sure that you blend. Make sure you get it all in your skin. It's not gonna be like you rub it in once and you're good to go, because it's still gonna need to get rubbed in more. So be sure you just massage it in all over. Oh, this smells so good. Like, it smells like a lemon pie. Like, I just really want to eat it. And I'm sure that you could eat this because it's like non-toxic. It doesn't have a lot of like those bad chemicals that a lot of skincare products have in there. So I mean, you probably could eat this, but not gonna risk it. It feels super good to the skin. So I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, learning a little bit more about Earth Harbor Naturals. I hope that y'all like little collaboration videos like this, because I know I do, and I'm so glad that they sent me all these products. If you want to try any of these products, you can use the website that I'm going to link down below. Shop away, take the skincare quiz, y'all. Take it, because then it curates more to your skin, and it will handpick products that will be geared to you. So you can take the quiz and then use the code MERMAID15 to give and save yourself a little money, and it'll give 1% back to Marine Life, which I think is so awesome. So be sure you go use that. Hope that y'all find some products that y'all love, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.